And that's brought out Sarfaraz Khan. A strike rate of 135. He's got a century in this format, and that came about in this season. That's hammered away into the onside field. This time straight down the ground. He's got the distance as well. Sarfaraz Khan getting into the act. A one-handed shot in the end, and that big six brings up the 50 for Mumbai.
लेंथ की हम बात कर रहे थे. एक बार फिर बिल्कुल नीचे बल्ले के. कुछ ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पर बैटर को.
And this time over mid-wicket, and that's gone further into the stands. Sarfaraz Khan really meaning business here. A 4 and back-to-back sixes from his blade. This is a big over.
4 गेंदों का सामना किया अभी तक. 16 पर बल्लेबाजी करते हुए सरफराज खान. खराब गेंदबाजी, अच्छे शॉट्स. देखिए बहुत जरूरी है मिश्रण करना.
He smashed that through the offside. He's not in a mood to wait there. He is going to really make every second count. Beautifully struck. Charging down the track, shimmy down the track, and then hoisting it all long on. He is in great nick here this morning.
इस गति से आप गेंदबाजी करेंगे ना, जितना जोर से डालने की कोशिश करेंगे उतनी दूर जाएगी.
That's ramped away. Will it have the distance? Yes, it does. He makes it look easy, Sarfaraz Khan. 82 for 1 at the end of power play. This is some batting from Sarfaraz Khan.
कमाल का शॉट. तेज गति से हाथ खोलने का मौका.
Off the edge, and he'll get a boundary. Fortune favors the brave, they say, and that's turned out to be true on that occasion.
Biggie, huge it is over long on. Sarfaraz on fire.
शॉट खेला छाव में, गेंद दूर गगन की छाव में. बल्ले ने गेंद से कहा बाहर जाओ, शॉट है. वाओ. जब से आए हैं इन्होंने ऐसी आग लगा रखी है. स्ट्राइक रेट हम आपको बता दें 335.41 का. एक और कड़क शॉट, और ये उनका अर्धशतक भी. देख ले है फलक, इनकी झलक सबसे अलग. क्या बात बाहुबली.
What a knock from Sarfaraz. He's got the whole dugout up on their feet. Why not? And then the push-up. That's how fit I am. That's how strong I am. Ajinkya Rahane is a seasoned pro. The man who's been there, done it. And this is against an IPL bowler. What a smack that was. Smoked that one. And look at this for power. Yeah, that's the new Sarfaraz. Yeah, beautiful.
रुके नहीं है इस दफा. एक और चौका, और चौके पे कम तालियां.
Now cut off the back foot. That will also go for 4. आपका तो जगह यही है अभी. 4 it is. Just runs flowing freely. Yeah, a freebie, knee-high full toss. Another one overcovers this time. Has it gone all the way? I reckon it has. Has it gone all the way? The umpires will take another look. This is golf, not cricket.
आकाश से गेंद का नाता है. ऐसा शॉट हो तो 6 ही आता है. ताबड़तोड़. देख ले है फलक, इस खिलाड़ी की झलक सबसे अलग. ये रहाने हवा में. फील्डर, लंबी दौड़, गेंद के नीचे. आतिशी पारी का अंत. बहुत शुक्रिया सरफराज, हम सबको एंटरटेन करने के लिए. 73 रनों की पारी. आतिशी भी, बेमिसाल भी.
Brilliantly bowled by Sota. He just needs to go a little bit slower in the air, a little far away. Ajay Kukla, the fielder, a little slow. So he had to reach out for it. And in that split second, the timing went all right. That's good. 20 yards inside. 73 of 22 from Sarfaraz. Yep.